Hello everyone! Every tip I'm about to share comes directly from technicians who work at a well-known appliance repair workshop in the city, so don't worry, we're going to find the solution. Here, we always explain to customers that a dishwasher showing an error like E8 isn't indicating something dramatic. It's simply pointing out a problem with the water supply. It's like the machine is saying, "Hey, I'm not getting enough water, I need help." Looking at what other customers report on forums, many notice that when they start a cycle, the machine tries to fill, but takes too long or doesn't fill at all, and then E8 appears on the display. Workshop technicians explain that this usually means the water inlet filters are dirty, the hose is bent, or the inlet valve isn't working properly. Some customers also report that the error started appearing after moving the machine or repositioning the hose. This makes sense because any kinks, excessive pressure, or poorly placed hose can block the water flow, and the dishwasher interprets that it's not receiving enough water. In other cases, people mention hearing a strange buzzing sound when the machine tries to fill. From a technician's perspective, this indicates that the water inlet valve is partially failing or blocked by debris, and for safety, the dishwasher stops the cycle and shows E8. We've also seen that the water pressure in the house can be the culprit. Some customers mention that the problem appeared after installing a new faucet or after a general drop in water pressure. This is important because if the pressure is too low, the machine cannot sense that it's receiving water and automatically triggers the error. In the workshop, we always recommend starting by checking the filters and hoses, cleaning the inlet filters, making sure hoses aren't kinked or blocked, and confirming that the inlet valve opens correctly usually solves most minor problems without needing to replace expensive parts. If the error persists after these checks, then it may be necessary to replace the inlet valve or verify the water pressure. Some Smeg bulletins note that over time, the valve can wear out or accumulate debris, and in those cases, replacing it is the safest way to restore proper filling.